Hi guys. Okay, we're ready now. Hey. Hey guys, thank you for tuning in and welcome to Campari Caribbean Virtual Hookup, where every week, every Thursday, you get to see hottie like myself. Today guys, we don't know. I'm not sure who I'll be dating tonight, but let's see and let's see what they'll bring to the table. I'm waiting for my first date. How I look? I'm ready. I'm a little bit nervy. Just a little bit because I want to see what this guy has to offer. Come on, don't disappoint me. I'm a little bit late, so he's just running a little bit late as well. Someone's here. Hello.
Hi,
Hi. What's your name?
I'm Aaron. What's yours?
Era?
Yeah, Aaron.
Era.
Aaron.
Aaron, I'm sorry. Hi, Aaron.
Hi.
You look kind of cute though.
Thank
Look
you.
like one of them heartbreaker type there.
Not at all.
Mm-hmm.
Not at all.
Not at all?
Mhm.
Okay. So how many girlfriends do you have?
One.
Only one?
Yeah.
And what happened? Why you wanna date me? And you have a girlfriend. I can't fight you now. Hmm?
What did I say? It's just to see how everything would work out, you know? We're not trying to start no fight or nothing. We just want to see, you know? Or if I still have my flame, you know? That's what I think.
Okay. Alright. Okay. So what do you like to do?
Well, culinary is my passion. But right now, dancing, entertainment, that's taking me. So, yeah, I love dancing.
You have talent. Okay.
Hmm.
So you can dance with me. Alright. I see. Alright. So huh. Alright, so how many relationships have you ever been in?
All my life. I was about five serious ones, you know? Five there.
You have some that you're not so serious.
Right. That was a fling or so on, you know? Never. So I don't call it a relationship.
Okay, I see.
Uh,
I see. How many kids do you have?
12 years yet?
Not yet? That's
Not
one
yet.
good.
Huh?
I have one.
Very good.
That's
Yes.
so good.
Yeah.
So what's your view on marriage? What do you think about marriage?
Okay. View on marriage. That's when you and person become a union. So, you know, that's a beautiful thing, you know, the person inside out, you know. Um, you know, so you're going to have up and downs, you're going to have your rough patches and so on, but as long as the marriage is union, I know, so the road is never perfect. So, yeah, have you on marriage.
What age? What age do you think you'll get married?
Well, I originally wanted to get married at 21, but now, you know, wherever the wind blows.
Say again?
I said I originally wanted to get married at 21, but no, it's just wherever the wind blows.
You're a committed guy.
Sorry?
How old are you?
Huh?
How old are you?
Oh, look. Let's guess.
You know, early 20s. So that looks like you're past your marriage stage.
Yeah.
Huh? You look early 20s though.
Now put a number now.
Huh?
Put a number now.
21. That's my lucky now. So you would get married right now? So you're ready to get married? That's what you're saying?
Yeah, no, but I said I passed my age already. I said I passed it already.
Oh, you passed the age. Okay.
Somebody got it right on the chat, by the way.
Really? You look.
Not so.
That's good. Cause you look younger.
Okay.
Much younger.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're 25, 25 where I get 23.
5, 23, 30s. No, you look. So what would be your perfect date?
Perfect date. You know, so I don't really have any. But I have in mind is that don't be a date, you know, a dinner date. Make sure say you dress nice, make sure say me dress nice. Pick you up, open the door for you, be a gentleman, you know, open the car door, open the restaurant door, pull out your seat, push in your seat, make sure say you feel amazing, you know. Be a paparazzi if I need to, like take video of you, take picture of you if you need me to. Anything.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, you sound like the perfect guy.
It's your date.
You take all the pictures?
Yes. It's your date. I'm just assisting, you
You
know?
take all the pictures, you know?
Yeah.
All the pictures. And you will take all the pictures.
Yes, that's right.
Okay. Sounds good. So tell me, are you still friends with your exes? Your ex?
Only one, you know? Because we're that one.
About she?
Huh?
Hear about that one there. What's so special about she?
It's not I wouldn't say it's anything special. It's just we actually came to full understanding of each other, so we're just really close friends now, you know, no bad feelings or anything. Yeah.
Okay, so you still do the thing now and then.
No. with the one who I'm there with now, yeah. But not with
You're doing now, your ex.
oh,
Your ex.
no.
You still kind of for old time's sake.
No.
No?
No. Roll them ways there. Even though we didn't know, and you will get it, you know? Another
I
ex.
feel like you didn't want entanglement. No. Huh?
Right?
You sound like you would have put me in one entanglement.
But I think so.
Nothing so.
But I think so.
I see.
Why you think so?
You just sound entanglish. Like you just
Wow. Jada take that to the next level still.
Okay. So what do you like it? Lights off or lights on?
On.
On. You see, you're full of confidence.
So no must.
Everything. You're cute. You're an heartbreaker.
I want to see what go on.
You want to see what one?
Yes. Always. Why not? You light on or light off?
Dimmed.
Eh?
Very dimmed, very low.
Okay. Okay.
Would you say you're a loud person or you're a quiet person?
I'm quiet. I would say I'm quiet.
Hmm?
I'd rather the person be loud, you know?
You'd rather what?
I'd rather the person be loud.
And you quiet. And say silent river run deep. I've got a bad feeling about you, you know?
Oh gosh. Mm.
What color your eyes? Is it brown or
Brown. I don't know. Some type of brown.
So you think you can handle me?
Yes.
Why do you think so?
Why I think so? Because I looking at you and knowing myself, I know what I'm capable of.
So you're a strong man.
Because I also
Yeah,
into fitness as well, you know.
Huh?
I'm also into fitness as well, so yeah.
You have a strong mentality too.
I know. Yes, that is right.
So what's your relationship deal breaker?
Sorry?
Your relationship deal breaker.
Oh. Hmm. You don't even thought about that?
Mm.
Yeah. Deal breaker. But I mean, like, if that happened, then it's a sure thing, or that break up the relationship.
Yeah.
Which one?
Yeah.
Oh, what would break up the relationship?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Straight up disrespect, you know, like full on disrespect to my face, like the like embarrassment in public, basically.
Public
You
embarrassment.
know,
Yes.
have respect for each other, but you know, full on maybe cause a big bad word or say something inappropriate in front of people, you know. So yeah,
So we can't quarrel another house and a bad man no more.
right.
So we come out our road then. That's a
Is
different story.
mm-hmm.
So are you in a casual relationship now or you're committed?
Committed. Yeah.
No, we need that drink. So you're committed. So why are we here?
To see what what I can say.
Mm-mm. Bye. Bye. No, you're committed.
What?
That's it. That's it. Mm-mm. That's it. Mm-mm. Why are we here then? Are you committed? Huh? No, man. Look here, no, man. Let me see what's happening here. Yes, you must go. Kind of cute still, but I'm not into them kind of cute guys between. I like when my men are, rough and tough, you know? Man, say I'm committed, but I'm out here on date. Seriously? Oh my. Let me read from my next date. Let me see if this one is not committed, because I'm not into the bagger. You have to be available. You gotta be available, honey. Hello.
Hi,
Hi, we're here.
hi.
How
You
are
look
you?
lovely. You look really nice.
Thank you. Thank you. Dark and handsome though.
Thank you.
You're not look you're not looking bad at all.
Wait, really? I need a haircut.
Huh?
I need a little shape
You
up,
need
you
a
know?
haircut, but yeah, but you're handsome and you look a raggedy hair vibe of one.
Oh,
Alright.
thank you.
That
You
one
know,
alright.
it's a quarantine look, you know?
So what's your name again?
My name is Joel.
Joel. Joel. Okay. And your last name?
Dilworth.
Joel Gilbert.
Dilworth. Super white.
Wilbert.
Dil?
Oh, Dilbert.
Dilworth.
Oh, Dilworth.
Yeah.
Okay, I hear Doniesha Dilworth. Okay. So Dilworth, Mr. Dilworth, tell me, are you in a committed or a casual relationship? I need to get it off
I'm
the.
a free man.
Say again.
I'm a free man.
You're free. You're single. How many kids do you have?
Mm.
How many kids do you have?
No, not yet. I'm not ready for any of those yet.
What are you?
I'm 22.
22. Okay. A little bit. You look mature for 22.
I have never heard that before.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I always say I look my age or a little bit younger. It's odd.
Your name is very unique, I must say.
Thank you. You want it?
Maybe. Let me see what you can offer.
Alright.
What do you do?
Well, currently I'm at UWI studying
Study
psychology.
psychology? So you use a brain for me.
Well, me, I use a brain for everybody.
Huh?
If you use a brain for everybody, I them just have to take advantage, you know?
Sounds interesting. So what would be your perfect date?
Perfect date. I'm not really, I don't know. It would have to be something fun. Something where the conversation can happen, but it's not the only thing that the date is about. So probably like if Jamaica had like really fun amusement parks like how America have Coney Island, I'd probably go to an amusement park like that. Yeah, roller coasters and stuff. We can talk in between rides and stuff.
Say you want carry you can carry me go Coney Island to make my art drop out.
You have to know how you can manage
Well,
the
that's what I'm
turbulence.
interested in. Say again?
Have to know how you can manage the ups and downs and the stuff, you know?
You see it? Psychology. Yes. Psychology. Oh. Somebody on the line is asking if you're looking for a sugar mommy.
I'm not opposed. I'm not opposed.
You're not opposed to that. What was she there again? She needs to come and get your details. Take you away. Oh my. So what are your views on marriage?
Oh, I think marriage is something. I think it's something special. I think it should be once. It should be, the whole thing they tell us one partner for the rest of your life. It's supposed to be a journey. I think it's very sacred, and it should be respected and held in higher regard than it is currently.
At what age do you think you would get married?
Somewhere around 28 and 32. I'm not fussy. I need to get my life sorted out before I get involved with anybody else like that.
I agree with you. So what is your perspective on cheating?
These things happen. I'm not saying that it's good or anything like that. It's a deal breaker for me because in any given event, I would get up and do it. So I think it's basically unforgivable. If it happens to you, you should leave.
Okay, so that you learn in psychology.
Oh no.
That's why you learn to say.
No, you have to learn how to respect yourself, and you know that if somebody does that to you, you should just move on and find something more comfortable
All right,
and more.
yeah, man. Thank you. All right, I think I heard enough. I think I heard enough. After all of that, I really need a drink. I've heard enough. I'm going to be making myself a Campari red leather. Okay? This is Campari and Magnum. This is actually my favorite. But look how this little young man wants to turn me into a sugar mama. Okay? He's not opposed to that. He's not opposing. Hear that? Campari and Magnum. No, I'm off a drink. Tricks are for kids. And in one can go Coney Island. What is that? That's the me a Pony Island on a Saturday afternoon when I should be at work. It's not even in the evening. You can't go there so at night, 8, 9 o'clock. You have to go there so 2 o'clock when it's my busiest time. Tricks are wicked. Oh Lord, let me see what my next date has to offer. When son artists to lead upon these rides, run up and down. Let me see how far he's at. Checking. So, what you guys think? Who are you? What are you thinking? Who you think is leading so far? The young man who wants to take me to Pony Island, or the one that is not committed, but he still wants to date me? What's
Hey.
up? Hello. Hi.
Hi, Doniesha, how are you?
I'm not bad, thank you.
I like your blouse.
You like my top?
I do. It's
Thank
very
you.
nice.
It's from Loudfashion.
It is.
It is.
Loudfashion, all the things done.
Yes. So how you doing?
I'm good. I'm just chilling.
Excited to date? You're excited to date me?
Actually, I'm very excited. Very excited. I was gonna make a drink, but I had to join the live.
Alright, so how old are you? Because I don't want to make any assumptions.
My age? I'm 25.
25.
Yes.
I see. So how many kids do you have? Have any kids yet?
No, I don't have any children.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Planning on having children?
Actually, yes, but it has to be after university.
So you're currently studying.
Yes, I am studying.
You're studying.
I'm studying communication arts and technology, mostly PR and advertising.
Oh. So would that be
Yeah,
my business with the PR?
definitely. That's the plan. That's the plan. We have to make a complete turnover.
Say again?
We have to make a complete turnover to make it better than how it is now.
I know it is now.
Yes, definitely.
Sounds quite interesting. What's your name? What's your name?
My name is QAin, but everyone calls me Q.
Wayne.
All right.
Very cute name.
Thank you. I thought it was original.
It was original.
I
Yeah,
thought so.
I like it. It's very cute.
Oh, thank
So
you.
when is the perfect time today? Is it in the daytime or the nighttime?
My perfect time to date would be in the evening, going on to nighttime.
And what would be your ideal?
Oh, okay. So my idea of a perfect date would be you wearing something fabulous from Loud Fashion.
You know, say, and you're supposed to be doing psychology.
It's just that if we're gonna have a perfect date, I want you to feel comfortable, and I know that whatever you sell in your store, that's quality. So I want you to wear what's in your store. And then my night would be made.
Something sexy.
Something very, you see, like what you have on now? This is very nice, and this is ideal.
Oh, thank
Something
you.
similar to this.
Thank you.
Mhm.
So are you friends with your exes?
Not all my exes, but quite like one of my ex.
Why are you still friends with her?
We're still friends because we were friends before we went on and pursued a relationship. So the relationship was built on the foundation of friendship. So with that said, I believe that we could just navigate our way like on a smooth path without troubles or bumps and so on.
I saw that
No,
to make
no, no,
friends
no, no.
with her even stronger. Hmm?
If I would want even stronger?
That's all like you still wanna be friends with her.
No, I'm not that type. I'm not that guy.
Okay.
I've tried, but I'm not that guy.
So you're in a relationship,
Not at the moment.
single.
Yes.
Okay. Where's the strangest place you've had? You have.
So the strangest place would definitely be in Manig, St. Anne.
Where in money?
In the bush.
In the
Oh my
bush?
God.
They
In the
are nice.
bush. It was late evening going on tonight, the ideal time for a date.
Say again?
It was in the evening going on to the nighttime.
Okay. And what
It was,
happened? On the end up there.
okay, so I am a former JDF soldier, so I was working and I left work and whatnot, and I mean she came all the way to Manig, so I mean from Kingston, so it must have meant
Is
something.
that good?
It was
Is
that
that
good.
good?
It was that good, and I'm not patting myself on the back or anything. It was
Is
that
that
good.
good? Strong?
Yeah, man. Everything,
Strong?
the agony was on. Everything was just building up.
So on a regular basis, you say it is strong? You're something, it is strong?
Definitely, definitely.
Strong?
Yeah, man. And if I feel like I'm weak, the Magnum. That's where the Magnum come in. Works like a charm.
I had to take a drink just now.
Yeah.
My red leather.
Huh?
So you say it's strong and it's long.
Oh
And
Lord.
it's black.
You know what? It won't disappoint you, I'm sure.
Hmm?
I'm sure it won't disappoint you.
I see.
I've
Give me your
heard that.
best pickup line.
My best pickup line?
Your best pickup line.
Hmm. My best pickup line is gonna be very corny,
What's it there?
So if I'm picking up when I'm picking up a girl, the first thing I do is I look at her hair. Because you see like how your hair and your edges are just laid and they're just right there. So I'd compliment her hair. Then I move on to her fashion because what? Because I know that ladies like when you compliment them, especially if they have made an effort to make themselves look better, or Mhm.
You want to hear it.
Yeah, they want to hear it, and the best part about it is to be truthful when you're doing it. If your sister here look like a rat nest, nobody come tell her say it look good, because she's gonna say I lied.
So you say, okay, baby, I really don't like part the kind of look, you have to go
Yeah, a little
cover
tact.
up and come back.
Yeah, man, a little tact. And so babe, so this one fix the car. I wonder if the hairdressing shop we're going to offer you. I wonder if it open.
So that gets your fix up, right?
Yeah, man, get our fix up.
So you send pictures, are your pictures sent in person or you like to receive pictures?
um, I like to receive, but I know that everything in this modern world has to be reciprocated. So with that said,
You believe in equal rights. Huh?
look here, man.
Wait, let's get back to the picture argument. You believe in equal rights.
I mean, in this modern society, I think that equal rights is something very novel. A lot of Jamaicans indulge in equal rights and then most of nothing. But I have nothing against it. I have nothing against it. If it comes to that, it comes to that. Nothing against it.
It comes to okay. All right. Let's go back to the pictures now.
Hmm.
So So you like to receive, but you will also send.
Wait, someone said I sound buzzy. I'm gonna take out my AirPod. Just give me a second. All right. So if I like to receive the pictures,
Right.
of course, I would lie.
Tell me a conventional thing that's a turn on.
A conventional thing.
Unconventional.
Oh, ooh. You know that area right above your heart, and it
Say
has
again?
that area right above your heart, and it has that little, right here, you know, right there, sir.
Really?
Yeah, man, that's it. Hmm.
Where is it I'm to right there, sir?
I'm saying the area above your heart, that little thing right there in the center.
Oh, I get you.
Yeah. Hmm. So what's yours?
I dare you to give me a kiss on the camera.
You have to
I dare you.
You have to specify. You have to specify the type of kiss.
Yeah.
Take a sip for me too.
No, but you're single.
Right. Yeah, I'm single.
Hmm?
Yeah, I'm single.
I dare you. What trips? Let me see.
Is it a lean forward type of kiss?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, one sec. Don't move a bit. Don't move a bit. Spice it up a bit. Don't move.
What
Alright, tell me when you're ready. Look, I'm gonna invade the system when you're ready.
I'm ready.
So you have to lean forward. You have to lean forward. The camera. Alright. A little more. Wait.
It's much up my face. Sure.
You see it, you know? The mark is there.
Much up my makeup.
Well, as long as it's me that's, smudging it, it shouldn't be a problem, guys. Yeah.
Are you a lights on or lights off person?
Initially, I started out lights on, but then I kind of transitioned into the lights off because I realized that lights off is more sensual and you actually get to know your partner's body more without seeing it. So now I'm lights off.
Want again?
Huh?
How much kids you say you want again?
What?
How many kids?
Oh, kids. Ideally 2, but if a third one comes, I have no problem.
Yeah, I look at vibes still.
How about you?
So after studying, what you plan on doing?
Oh, after studying,
Are you working while studying or just full-time studying?
I actually work while studying.
What do you do?
I actually.
Your sound buzzy. Maybe get down to the money part of it now. What do you do?
So when I left high school, I became a JDF soldier immediately after that. So there was some cash in the back. And then after that, I started to work on production sets. So really and truly, I'm like very freelance right now. Very freelance. If I have to do construction, I'll do construction. If I have to do farming, I'll do farming because you have to work for your own because nobody not take up nothing again nobody in at this time.
It's true. I love a hardworking man.
Uh-huh.
That's a turn on for me.
It is?
Yes.
Oh, I'm glad I was able to.
If you could, you see your vibes, if you could choose a costume for role play, what would you choose?
I know this sounds kind of cliche, but
Say
if
again?
I'm supposed to choose a costume for cliche, it's gonna be the maid's uniform. If it's not the maid's uniform, it's the nurse.
You want me to cater to you?
Yes, I want someone to provide care. Are you that one? Are you the one, Doniesha?
Say again?
Are you the one?
If I'm the one?
Yeah.
For you?
Yeah.
I'm still analyzing if you can manage me.
Well, I can try,
You can try.
but I'm not coming to fail though. That's for sure.
You are a boss. You are a vibe. What is your perspective of cheating, though? I need to learn. I need to learn more about you.
On cheating, I believe that everyone deserves a second chance. So if my woman, my lady, cheats on me, it's gonna take a while for me to process it, but I won't say that I won't forgive her because cheating is one event. As long as it's not a series of events that when we even uncover it, it keeps recurring, I'm fine. If it's a one-time thing, I'm okay. I'm good.
So you're nice, sir. Because is it that you, because you want, when you cheat, she's to forgive you? Is that the reason?
I would say yes because it has happened. No, it has happened.
Listen,
before.
don't mess up now, don't mess up.
No, I'm not messing up. I'm being
You're
honest.
going good enough. You're going good.
No, man, I'm being honest. So once I made that mistake and she extended the courtesy and she forgave me. So I definitely believe that someone else, if they make that mistake, should be given the same opportunity that I received.
So what if she cheats first?
If she...
Yeah.
Yeah.
You've never cheated,
Mhm.
right? And she cheated on you first.
I would definitely, if she cheats on me, I know me, I'm going to be upset because I always want to feel that she wants me. I want to feel wanted. So if she cheats on me and I uncover that information, I mean, we can talk about it. It's something definitely we can talk about. However, I won't say that I'm going to be the most understanding because she has to understand that, listen, this is something that should happen again. But at the end of the day, I think that I would extend her the courtesy of forgiveness.
Okay, cool. You have any special talents?
Yeah. Yes, for a while I have been modeling professionally, so I would say that's a talent.
Say again?
I said for a while now I've been modeling professionally, so I think that's a talent. Something I do outside of the main work and school. So that works.
Them like you do.
They do?
Cheer for you. I can't ask enough for you mess up.
So
Cheer for you too much.
why you want,
Cheer for you too much.
I thought you wanted us to pursue. I didn't know that, because I'm here for you. I'm not about the life of the wildlife. I'm not about it.
So if she cheats, you're not gonna break up with her. Depends on the situation, right?
It depends on the situation.
So
Yeah.
what's the deal breaker?
The deal breaker is if she cheats and she gets a child. That's the deal breaker. I believe that the child should be raised with both parents, and I'm not the parent. I mean, I can provide a father figure and a male figure in the child's life, but I think that it would be better for everyone if she, the child, and her baby dad would just, vamos, go together.
I see.
That's the deal breaker.
Say again?
That's the deal breaker.
how would you keep a long distance relationship spicy?
It's funny that you'd
And
say
the mud, the mud lady, the body up there.
that. Well, the long distance relationships, I have done them before, and those are perfect for me.
Why you keep it spicy?
As long as communication is there, I believe that the spicy part of it is right at our fingertips and phone screens.
You say 1, 2, or 3 kids.
Yeah, torture.
Girl, do you have any preference?
Twin.
What's your ultimate Valentine's Day plans?
Okay. My ultimate Valentine's Day plan would be a nice romantic evening, probably at Uncourt or where is this romantic? I know Uncourt is very romantic. Probably Chive because it's so hidden. You know, a few bottles of Prosecco and then we can do the rest at home. So what's that?
Very interesting.
What's the ideal Valentine for you?
For me,
Yes.
pretty much similar. A nice romantic dinner date, and things that
Say no more. I understand.
yeah, I love to travel, so I wouldn't mind traveling for that occasion to a romantic place like the Maldives or
Oh wow. You know,
Paris.
I've always wanted to go there.
Paris. We can go for Paris.
Yup. You're my type of girl because traveling is definitely it. Traveling is it.
So you think you can handle me?
Definitely. I'm up for the challenge.
Well, it's not like you can't say nothing wrong. So you said you're committed. You said right?
Very much so.
Before you said you're committed in the beginning. You're committed, right?
Very much so.
Say again.
Yes, I am.
You're committed
Yes, I am.
in a committed relationship now.
No. I'm single now.
Cool. Anything you want to ask me?
Yes. What do you look for in a man?
I can't hear you.
What do you look for in a man?
I look for a strong man, and when I say strong, I don't mean in strength.
Okay.
Mentally, somebody who is ambitious, who a go-getter,
Right.
and somebody who has respect. It's very
Definitely.
important. Somebody's always about something, getting heading places. Not necessarily a rich man, but somebody who has a potential to be rich if we work together.
And you know what I realized? I checked all your boxes, or majority, if not all.
What did I think about him?
Huh?
What's your sign? I need to know your sign to see if we're compatible.
I'm a Leo.
You're a Leo?
Leo.
Okay.
My birthday's in 14 days.
Say again?
My birthday's in 14 days.
14 days.
Right. What's your sign?
Say again?
What's your sign?
Taurus.
Leo Taurus.
I am a bull. Alright. It was nice talking to you.
It was nice talking to you too.
Alright, Queen. Have a good evening.
Okay.
Bye.
I'm looking forward to
Bye.
see you in my DM.
Okay. Oh my god. Queen wasn't so bad at all. What y'all think? Having my Campari red leather, I'll be driving home, so I'll be just sipping. And remember, you have to be 18 and older. Drink responsibly. Everybody a cheer for Queen. You know, Mavalik was still, but he's a little bit young, you know. What's that again? 25. Yeah, 25. And I'm 31. But he's mature. Alright, so send your pick in the comment, guys. Let me see. 1, 2, or 3. Let me see. Let me hear from you. Give him a try. Sugar Mama. Sugar Mama was at number 2, right? Number 3. 3, Queen. I don't like him that much. 3, okay. Queen, send out him people then for vote for him now. But it was a very interesting conversation, and I liked the conversation we had. Third one, 3, 3. So there's a clear winner, and that is Soldier, the Soldier Boy, the Soldier Man. 3, 3, 3. That's Soji. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I had a lot of fun, and I know you had a lot of fun too. Join us next week. That's next week Thursday at 6:30 p.m. right here, where another hottie like myself will get to date 3 guys that she doesn't know. Alright, and do remember to drink responsibly. Do remember to follow Campari at Campari Caribbean on Instagram. Okay, and try my favorite drink from Campari, which is red leather. You should try it, which is Campari and Magnum. Okay, thank you so much. Do follow myself as well. That's at Loud Boss and Loudfashion for all your outfits. Thank you guys. Bye.